from now. Okay, let's start creating video from this script. Here is the landing page. And first thing what I need to do is copy this line and I will paste it here. Okay, and in Tile you can use two content box. And during my demonstration session, you guys can leave some questions freely, and I will pick after I finish my work, my demonstration, right? So for now, I only need the one content for the first slide, so I will remove this content box like this way. And then, oh, here's the thing. I'd like to try to make like YouTube landscape size video. So go to click this template button, and there is a changing size menu, right? Click this one, and you can see every optimized size for each social medias: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Oh, actually, recently we officially been selected as a Facebook marketing partner as well. Yay! So, but this time I'm gonna try the YouTube size. Actually, those are the same though. So click this one and click Start Now. So you can see that the whole canvas sizes changes to a landscape. And okay, let's find some suitable video first with this line, right? Click the this background image, and thank you. Thank you guys. Yeah, Facebook marketing partner. It took almost a year to be selected as a official partner. So far, we are in very last step to download the Facebook marketing partner batch, but there is some issue to download the image file, so I cannot put that thing on the landing page yet. Thank you. So click this button, and here is stock videos. We have stock videos and stock images from Storyblocks and Pexels, or are good to go, good to use for your marketing content, because or are under license. So how about search COVID things? You will see a lot of the images related to COVID. And how about start with just a still image first? I will show you every libraries how I can use them. I think I will pick this one, this man with a newspaper with a mask. Then it looks like the man is behind this text box. So I'd like to move this box. In PowerPoint or Keynote, you guys wanna click this box and move here, but Tile doesn't work like that way. When you click this design shuffle button, you will see other possible suitable design. Oh, this one looks nice. Or you can select your design by this layer button. Here's the thing, like full background with the full image background, and put text box to right side. How about that? It looks nice. But here's the thing. Oh, the image looks wider. Why? Because the box has some border. Because of border, to guarantee the text readability, it makes the background image wider. So what you can do, remove the all borderline, or I will remove the logo as well. And oh, what this margin about? You can make it margin all or no margin. You can change the setting like this way. Now it's good. But how about that? I'm not sure this color goes well with the background image. So what you can do is that click this change color button and go to the top. You'll see there is a well match color section, right? What you can do is click, oh, I think this rosy pink would be nice with the background, right? Then it would be great if I can set one-way gradation. How about that? Looks very nice. And what about font? Click the this title box, and you can select font as well, or the size. Size like this way. Oh, here's the thing. The concept, the size, font size concept is very different from other service. It shows that it's a 1, 0.9, 0.8, something like this. It means that over 90% of your content will be consumed in the mobile device, and you're not sure like 14 pixel or 16 pixel how much is bigger in the mobile device. So we pick that this one, this one means actually 100%, and 100% means that it looks perfect in a old iPhone 4S. So, but you don't have to worry about the using smaller size than 100% because these days we got bigger. On average, we use a bigger phone these days, so you can use like 0.65, also fine as well. For now, I'd like to get like 0.8%. I mean 80% for the first page, and I will change the font. These days, I like these pop-ins. It's my just personal favorite. And I will before I move to a second page, it is the first page and a lot of things to introduce. It might be kind of boring, so I'm a bit worried about that. Oh, here's the thing. I'd like to explain once more with the first slide, and I will go move to next slide. Color system. The color palette system is a kind of difficult concept for understanding if you're newbie for Tile. We already prepared well-matched color set as a preset. I mean, so if you wanna change some text color, what you can do is that drag the text line. So I'd like to highlight this COVID-19, and then there is an A button. It means an accent. Then you'll see that there added some special symbols as a markdown. Then when you go out, you'll see that the color changed to yellow. Why yellow? Because this color set has some highlight color, and we just selected yellow. It can be blue or purple, red. Those are we just predefined that those are good for with this rosy pink background box color. So I will show you another color palette. This one. The whole text color changed to white. Why? Because this color palette's name is a bubblegum. Is written as with a white color, right? I mean, I will show you one more, like custard. Can you expect? The background color would be changed as a light yellow, and the full text color would be changed to black except this COVID-19 line, because it is written with the black color, custard is a black, and it's the background color itself, and you got have a lot of highlight color as well. This is the way how you can use the coloring on tile. Also, there are a lot of other text effects like a bold and highlight the background, inline background, something like that. What you can do is click this one, and you will see some special symbol. Sorry, go out, and you will see that the effect is applied. If you don't like it, just delete this symbol. This is the way you can make some color on tile. I spent a lot of time on the first slide, so I'd like to move to the next slide. And then I will copy one more line from the script. Here's the thing. And I already mentioned that this second session, I mean the tutorial demonstration session is fully recorded, and I will upload it to our Facebook group right after, or the day after we finish the webinar. So please, you don't have to worry about that, even if you're joined later. So I put the second message here, and I tried a different design for now. I think it would be nice start with selecting stock videos. I typed the COVID, I searched the COVID, and then how about this one? Pandemic is not even close to be over. And then I can change the design like this way. And then, it looks very awkward, right? So I'd like to remove the box, click this box and click this one, disable the box. And, it'd be nice to use white or black if you are not familiar with the color. Black and white, always right. Here's my short recommendation about the color. And I'd like to change the font to from the serif, because I use sans serif as a title slide. It'd be nice to use like this one, Roboro Slap, Playfair. I like this one, and make it a bit smaller, like this way. How about that? To maximize the readability of this content, the background is the brightness automatically adjusted. This is the original. A bit you can read roughly, but the this automatic mode is better, right? And then I will add one more line. Literally, blah, blah, blah. And it'd be nice to, find another stock, or just you can use this stock. I will show you how you can see this as a, video. You can see it like this way. But here's the problem with the music. We are talking about this pandemic, but the background music is not that much gloomy. So I'd like to change another one. I like this one. And here's the thing, we have a music library, and there is a name of the music, and there's a number. It means that it's a BPM, beat per minute, which means that if you pick lower number, the content play slower. You can feel it. It plays slower, but if you pick like this one, it looks like a higher 144. Can you see that? It's a faster. It just the content speed follow the BPM. That is just one of the funny thing of Tile. So I will pick this one, nostalgia. And there is another thing like a image zoom in out effect and the other text animations. We know that these text animation things are quite very basic. So that's why we developed the next version to offer you a more various video, more video-ish effects. For now, I will like pick any text effect like this one. It's cool. And then you can set, TTS
How
here.
can you stay safe from the COVID-19 pandemic?
We added a lot of voices. We adapted this TTS feature from Amazon Poly and Google WebNet and any other third-party services as well. So you guys can use these voices. We have like Russian, Polish, Hungarian, Swedish, Portuguese. We added a lot of voices as your request. So if your language is not on the list, you guys can ask or contact us and ask them. For now, I'd like to try without narration. Okay. So it's a time to create fourth slide. Here's a guidance by CDC about how to protect yourself. Okay. And if you use just one slide for the stock video for long, it's a boring. So you need to make a change for every slide. For now, I'd like just hide everything except the text line. Sometimes it can refresh your audience, right? Here's the guidance, and then as I already explained that you guys can highlight some text line like guidance by CDC. Highlight, change the color like this way, and then here's the main part, the listicle. The one, wash your hands open. And two, avoid cross contact. Three, cover coughs and sneezes. So I will copy this one and paste it here. And then, what's this? We'll remove that. Now it's the first time to, reopen the content box. And then copy the content, remove, paste here. Okay, but the I'd like to start after I set some layout. I think layout, this would be nice. Just partially use those bottom part as a text line and this part as a like background image or background video. Then I can adjust the alignment. I can make it auto to follow the title line like this way. Now we are in a listicle part, so I can use this sans serif font once more. Make it a bit smaller and about font. I will use the pop-ins as well. If you're not familiar with the font combination, there are a lot of free sites suggest font combination. I think you guys know better than me. So I make like this way, And it's time to change the stock videos about washing hand. So when you click this one, so you can see like these keywords from the this text line. So wash, yeah, here is the thing. You can find it directly easily about the washing hands. And then about the color, we use that black background color for a long time. So how about we change it to white? Well, as I said, if you're not familiar with the color, white is always white and black, black and white. It always works. Okay, I finished the first one, and there's a rule. Actually, you know, the Ruth asked one variable question. Are there rules for when to use serif or sans serif? Actually, there is no rule, but the I focus on the readability. So we have this category. First one, sans serif, and second one is serif, and the third one is a display. Display means like more uh, like funny, or it has a higher readability on average. And the last one, the fourth one, is a handwritten. It's like it has a, I don't recommend to use the handwritten fonts unless you have a, you have a high sense of design, because those are kind of difficult to match, or kind of difficult to use. So if you are not familiar with the design, I recommend you pick something from sans serif, because it can guarantee you higher readability. Also, I use serif font if I explain something. Then and then I thought that less important than just a title, or like this listicling. So that's why I use this serif, because I explain the things, and I use sans serif because this is important. This is the way. This is not rule, just my experience. Okay, now it's go back to second line, and I paste once more, and I'm not sure why I keep this thing copied as well. Okay, I remove this content line and paste here. Okay, avoid cloud contact. It'd be quite tricky to find suitable related stocks. Let's try like distance would be nice, or I'm thinking about social distancing, right? Wow, here's the thing. These days the Stone Library added a lot of stocks related with the COVID situation, so you guys can find the things easily. Okay, so I finished the second one, and how about third? Let's go to third quickly. Cover coughs and sneeze. The reason why I keep show you the reputation, because I want you guys be familiar with how I use Tile, and how I create the things from the scratch, right? And third one, you be the hardest one to find the image related with the covering coughs. Wow, covering coughs. I will start with the keyword cough. Always, it takes the time most to find the relevant image or videos. those are not recommended way to cough, right? In this COVID pandemic. I like to pick this one. This one, the man with the t-shirt, but he knows how to, cough, the covering by his arm. But as you can see, this background stuff is like recorded with a vertical, right? Then how you can make it on tile? I think click this layout button and you will see that there is a already prepared layout which can show your video properly and your content properly as well, right? How about looks like this one? Yep, the vertical images goes here and the text box goes here. It's perfect. Then you can adjust the image like this way, right? Then let's go to the conclusion. What's the message about? We are in a lengthy battle against the coronavirus, right? So click this content and I will remove this one once more. And then it's time to find another layout for last conclusion. Erase the last one. It's good to use a center box like this one, everything is good. Okay, I will try this one and how about that? We can find something one from the related with the COVID once more, like White Street. Anyway, it looks nice. And then I'd like to change the font to serif from the the font that I used already. How about that? Looks nice. And the last slide. Don't give up and blah 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 blah. I think I'm not gonna use this circle because the text is longer. So if you can change the scale, make it smaller or bigger, you'll see that the reduced text size or amount, the recommendation of Tyle, because it respects your attention. So it makes you decide just scale down or just remove some text from your line. So I'd like to change the layout to like this way, and remove the box once more, and change the text color to black. I mean, text color to white, and then okay, I think this one looks nice, and I'd like to change this one as well. But here's the thing: here is a style copy button. So click this one. This style is like infected to the above, like this way. Cool. So, we need to select the suitable layout for that. The last one. How about that? What kind of video can represent, normal life? I think, yeah, children running, those kind of image can represent our, missed normal life. Cool. Then we'll see the preview. And you may already expect, you notice that you know, the music BGM fit to the length of the content automatically. So the BGM ended with when content ended. This is another one of funny feature of Tile. So when you think you're done with your work, what you need to do is click this export button. Then you're now in the image rendering process. It takes just less than a minute. So we render the image first, and then second step is the rendering video. So give me a sec to, oh, it's done. So the image rendering is done, which means that when you click this copy button, it's a URL sharing button. I will show you how you can share your content. Yeah, even though we made a short video, but you can get also like this kind of carousel images as well. You can post it to Instagram or the carousel ad, wherever you want. Or what you need to do is click this video rendering button. Then your request is now in our server, and it start make your video file. It takes like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you need to wait until you got noticed by this chat or your mail. You'll be around by this chat and the mail as well. While waiting the final result, I will show you another funny feature of Tile. It's called matching resize. So you guys want to create one video, and here's the thing: you can duplicate this work. Then you'll see that you're interested with the weird URL. It means that when you click save button, you have now duplicated project. So what I show you is that the changing size easily. So click this template button, and here is a change size button. And how about try like Instagram, story size? Click this one and click change, and you'll see that all the content is changed, and you don't need to customize things that much. You can use like this by yourself right now, right away. I mean, oh, you see that this batch, your final work now, the MP4 file is ready to download. Click this URL and you get your MP4. I will show you like this way, okay? And then now you are now in the editing page of creating the second version. I mean, now I'm creating the vertical. In this one, in the first slide, we don't need to use this layout anymore in this vertical slide, right? Then what you can do, how about try this one or this one? I mean, this one, right? The make it center. You can change the things like this way, and then everything looks good. Everything looks good, but oh, this one, we made this layer because it works in the landscape, but it doesn't work in this vertical slide. So how we can do that? We can copy this slide to the next, and everything looks nice, right? And you can save, preview, right? Looks nice. And then click export once more. This is the way you can handle multiple dimensions for each social medias. Then click the render button once more. Here's the thing. And oh, I'd like to show you this as a last one. So if you change things, what you need to do is that click this export button to finalize your work. If you share your content with the sharing URL, okay, these things, this was a carousel, but after you render the video, it shows the video first. You can share this address to directly your client, or if you wanna just share, image first, you can add this shop image. Then your customer see this image first. Now I'm showing you this on laptop, but you can swipe this image by finger on the mobile phone. Okay, so this is the final step. Final thing that I wanted to share you guys on this second demonstration session. And I think now we already have almost almost an hour. So I value your time, as I mentioned before. I think it's a time to get some questions and I can answer. I'm not sure you guys more familiar with the concept of Tyle. I hope you guys enjoy Tyle from now. And if you have any question, I think it's a time to ask. Or if you don't want to ask right now, we are always open the chat or email, whatever, which channel, you can contact us. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you very much. And voice audio track, narration track. Okay, in Tile, the focus of Tile was the simplicity, so you cannot add any other elements for now. But the next version, we developed multiple other elements, so you can add. We are developing the voice recording and the TTS as well. So I'm recording this video, so I'm gonna upload it after this seminar to our Facebook group. About Raghu, okay, thanks for your question. About team feature, yes, also team feature is covered with the next version. And I think you guys can, I think, there is a short URL for our public roadmap on the Facebook group. And I leave the full Notion URL here. This is our roadmap, how we launch the next version. And the team feature would be fully covered. And actually, team feature is already developed with the second project. Jennifer, can we have more than one audio clip? For now, you can add just one audio clip, and which is background music. And in a sense of background music, you can set only one, even with the second version. But you can add a lot of like your voiceover MP3 file, not just only one clip. Okay, and watermark of our logo. Okay, about the logo feature, I didn't, show you the logo. It's not a watermark exactly, but you guys can upload your logo file, PNG preferred. You can upload it like this way. I will show you one, like Tyle logo, like this way. Also, this logo, this is original color of Tile. And here's the thing: you can make when you click auto, it select the color among original black, white, depend on the color and the brightness and things of the background. So you can invert it, make it white, make it black, or make it original, make it automatic, whatever. Okay. Second, ASAD asked about when the second version will be live. Actually, we plan to, start to early access in this March, but I'm not sure because these days we have a severe problem with the background infrastructure things. So I'm still discussing with my dev team, but I'm sure that definitely we can launch sooner. Hopefully to give you early access March, but I'm not sure it can happen or not. Okay, I share the the roadmap link over here. Please check it. And Raghu asked about Tamil language, Tamil TTS. I think we already have a lot of Tamil languages and fonts as well. I will show you. Actually, there is one more font group. It's called Global, and you will see that there are Tamil and other fonts as well, right? Even Chinese. So please let me know if you need to add another font. Because we can add, because we don't have custom font upload feature for now. So when you ask us, we check the license of the font and upload. That's how we, do deal with the font right now with the first version. Okay, can you please join the Facebook group and the can you email the link? Michael, what link do you mean? Please chat me once more. And Matthew, AppSumo buyers get the new version. Yes, AppSumo, all the LTD users automatically get granted to a next version. That was the deal of the AppSumo. I officially mentioned about that. And you guys also expected that the SaaS service has to be like update. And the second version is like a kind of bigger than we thought in our first place, but it's still we consider it as an update. So you guys get free update. And Malacare asked about that. Can you tell us a bit about your company, where you're located, how many people retire? Okay, I'm talking from now, Seoul, Korea, and we have been running this company over 7 years, and definitely Tile is not my first service. I like messed up several projects, and Tile is like first one which makes some money for my company. And the what's that? The members? We are very small. We have 5 members, 4 developers and me. So I handled everything except develop things. And, even though we are a very small team, we are the first and only YouTube creative partner solution. And I mentioned that recently, a week ago, we also selected as a Facebook marketing partners in a field of creative solution. So yeah, you can rely, you can believe our service stability, things like that. Yeah. I'm not familiar with like telling you guys about my company, how I'm doing. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, Facebook group is a Tyle Facebook group. Yeah, that's the right place you joined. Thank you. And the for this video link, okay, you will check the recorded video of this session on the Facebook group. Frank, thank you. This is amazing software. Thank you very much. And Mark here, excellent. Better than Lumen 5. And Animoro. I think Lumen 5 and Animoro has its own strong advantage, but yeah, in some purpose, Tile also has its own strong advantage, like making things quicker and the share quicker in that sense of work. So the most of productive way how you can use Tile is that make your own template like this way I did, and then just like duplicate one project and just change some text and then render once more. That's actually the way how I create marketing content for Tile. That's very productive, and I'm kind of proud of it. Okay, the last question, Jennifer Norris. Okay, when would you use the other story arcs? Story arcs. Can you guys still see my screen? Okay. Other, in the product demo and the straight offer. Straight offer is a very obvious. It's like it starts with telling your deal or promotion. So it's a very salesy. So that's why I didn't mention that this method, because it just start with your offer. Now, like one plus one get right now, and about your product benefit and the CTA. So when do I use it? When like Black Friday or something like that. When do I have a specific offer for you guys? That's the way to do it. And then about the product demo, this is kind of tricky. You start with like I read this part. Lead by showing off product heroically. Heroically, this is the word you need to care about. Which means that you need like fascinating or very dynamic. You need a dynamic video, and which is not for Tile. Tile cannot make dynamic video like After Effects or Premiere does. So if you have some product video by creating by like outsourcing or professional, you can use that part as a beginning, showing off your product heroically, and then showing your advantage and call to action goes like that way. Okay, why not post training to YouTube channel? Well, actually, I need to organize this video clip for YouTube. I cannot just upload things directly to YouTube. So someday I will, upload this video to YouTube as well. Thank you, David. Okay, I think I covered all the questions, and thank you for joining this webinar for this long time. I really appreciate that. So, yeah, thank you, David. Yeah, I understand that. Okay. So, here's the thing. Actually, in March, we're gonna have another AppSumo lifetime deal before we launch the next version. It could we was like re-invited by from the AppSumo team. So it would be a very last moment to get LTD. So if some of your friends missed the Tile deal, it would be very last offer to get the Tile. And for this one, yeah, in March happened, but I'm not sure when was the direct date. I kind of forget. March 8th. March 8th. Yeah, we're gonna have another AppSumo deal on Tile with the same condition last time. Okay. Also, I hope you guys, make a word about Tile to your colleague and any other friends. For that's the thing what I want. And thanks for joining the webinar. And I hope you see you guys on the Facebook group or the chat or any other mail. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.